Australopithecines was a creature who lived many million years ago. They are totally different in size. There are two types of Australopithecus. The first form was those who stood 4 feet and could walk erect. The second form was the Java man, who was called Pithecanthropus, meaning monkey man. The other species was Paranthropus. Then you had other types like the Neanderthal, who lived for 100,000 years and then disappeared. Then there is the Cro-Magnon, who roamed Europe 400,000 years ago, including the Homo erectus and many other species. The Peking man also belonged to this species, who was here 500,000 years ago. The Peking man was a type of prehistoric man who lived about 327,500 years ago in what is now called China. Members of the species Homo erectus stood about 5 feet tall. They had a brain twice the size of the Australopithecines. Most species of evolutionary man came from the ape family. Among the different species of ape men you have the black-haired Lar. This is where you get the word lord or master from. The Lar were recognized for their intelligence. These Lar were the head monkeys or spiritual monkeys well known. This is where the word monks come from. When the Anunnaki chose to breed by gene splicing through Geshtu and Ninti, who were known as the Anunnaki, they chose to breed with Lar and the orangutan, who was intelligent ape, along with the chimpanzee. The chimpanzee has the intellect of a 4-year-old child, and can be brought up to the level of a 7 or 8-year-old child. The chimpanzee is one of the most intelligent animals and resembles human beings more than any other animal. They also used the species known as the baboon. The baboon is a large monkey, part hyena and part jackal. The breeding with them resulted in your Bahima type of carnivorous man called mankind, one of the many species of the Caucasian. The chimpanzees evolved into humans and they became the original pygmy tribe. Their woolly hair come from the supreme beings with 24 strains of genes coded in melanin. These are the original Anunnaki, the guardians of Nubians with 9 ether. Some apes were used for breeding and some weren't. Eventually they kept evolving and they all had 6 ether hair along with every other animal on Earth. While this was going on, the dinosaurs were eating everything and the humans were dying out. So the elders thought that it was a good idea to destroy and replenish the Earth. Then a great extinction hit 17,250,000 years ago. The second meteorite hit was 2,250,000 years ago. 244 humans and dinosaurs were destroyed. The surviving tribes were the Pygmies, Hindus, and the Watusi. The Pygmies who had mixed with the agreeable Rumardians and the Watusi who had mixed with the disagreeable reptilians were led shelter beneath the earth. Some went behind waterfalls and caves of the planet Earth to survive, while the Hindu tribe went back to their planet called Nirvana in Canis Minor star constellation, Procyon.